Hi children. In your previous class, you have already learnt about the operation of division of a number. Let us we learn about find the quotient and remainder.
Now we are going to solve the exercise 6.3. First main, find the quotient and remainder in these. First question, 76 divided by 6.
Now divide 7/10 by 6. So 6 ones are 6, right? 1 as the first digit of quotient. Write the 6 and subtract it. 7 minus 6 is 1 and bring down 6. Now 16 divide by 6. Again we divide the 2 times. 6 twos are 12. So write 2 as the quotient, second quotient. Now 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. Right? 4 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the quotient is 12. Write 12 and remainder is 4.
Now second question, 93 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8. Write 1 as the first digit of quotient and write 8 here. Now subtract it. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 and bring down the 3. Now 13 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8. Again write 8 here and subtract it. 13 minus 8 equals 5. So here quotient is 11 and remainder is 5. Right? Quotient 11 and remainder 5. Now third question. 345 divided by 5. We divide 300. 5 6 are 30. 6 write first quotient and write here 30. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. Take down 5. Now we get 45. 45 divided by 5. So 5 nines are 45. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So quotient is 69. and remainder is 0.
Now, fourth question, 911 divided by 6. So, divide the 9 hundreds by 6. So, one time we divided 6 ones are 6. Write 1 as the first digit of quotient and 6 right here. Subtract it. 9 minus 6 is 3 and bring down 1. Now divide 31 tenths by 6. Now 6 5s are 30. So 5 write as the second quotient and write here 30. Now subtract it. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now take down 1. Again we divide one time. 11 by 6. So 6 ones are 6. Now subtract it. 11 minus 6 is 5. So here quotient is 151 and remainder is 5. 151 and remainder is 5. Now fifth question, 9254 divided by 8. Here we divide 9,000 by 8. So 8 ones are 8. So write 1 first digit of quotient and write 8 here. Now subtract it. 9 minus 8 is 1 and bring down 2. Now divide 12 divided by 8. Again we divide the one time. 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Now bring down 5. Now divide 45 by 8. 8 5s are 40. Now subtract it. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now bring down 4. Now we divide 54 by 8. So 8 6 are 48. 54 minus 48 is 6. So quotient is 1156 and remainder is 6. Quotient is 1156 and remainder is 6. Now fifth question, 8374 divided by 5. Now we divide 8,000. So one time we divide 5 ones are 5. Write 1 as the first digit of quotient and write 5 here. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now bring down 3.
33 divided by 5. So 5 6 are 30. Write 30 here and 6 write second digit of quotient. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 3 0.
Now bring down 7.
7 divide 37 tens by 5. So 5 sevens are 35. Write 35 here and 7 write third digit of quotient. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now bring down 4. 24 divide 24 once by 5. Now we divide the 4 times. 5 4s are 20. So write fourth digit of as quotient. 20 right here and subtract it. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. So quotient is 1674 and remainder is 4. Write here 1674 and remainder 4.
Thank you, children.